Hello again. I am going to show you how to add page numbering to your MS Word document, but this time around it's going to be Roman numerals. That is I, V, etc. So to add Roman numerals to your page, just go to the Insert menu, click the page number, then go to Format Page Numbers, then under the number format option, choose the Roman numerals, the I, the II, the III. Then click OK. Go again to the page number, then choose the location you want your page number to appear. Most people would want the bottom of page, and you can choose bottom center like mine. Okay, now you have your page number. You see, you have your page number, page 1, page 2, page 3. However, in any case where you want your page number to start at page 2, you can still go back to Insert, go to Page Number, go to Format Page Numbers, then you can now say Start at page 2, that is II, and click OK. Automatically, the first page becomes II, the second page becomes III, the third page becomes IV, in that order.